Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, today we'll be making an amazing hair growth recipe using fenugreek and amla. So if you'd like to see how it turns out, please keep watching. Fenugreek and amla are ancient Ayurvedic ingredients popularly known to promote hair growth. We often combine these two ingredients whenever we're making our usual hair mask or hair treatment. And after getting such great results from it, we got inspired to make it into a hair oil today. Amla powder is derived from the amla fruit, popularly known in India as Indian gooseberry. Amla contains a lot of vitamin C, minerals, and antioxidants. Research has actually shown it is excellent for boosting hair health and increasing hair growth due to its high iron and carotene content. Fenugreek is also popularly known in India as methi seeds. We have been using it for years due to how low maintenance fenugreek seeds are and also how effective it is. Fenugreek is remarkable in promoting hair growth. The proteins present in it strengthen the hair shaft, reduce hair fall, and promote hair growth of new healthy hair strands. Once fenugreek and amla are combined, we added just 1 spoon of rosemary as it is instrumental in helping to boost blood circulation, awaken those dormant hair follicles, and reduce dandruff on the scalp. The fenugreek and amla combination do not just promote hair growth, but they actually strengthen the hair follicles, they reduce hair fall, and they protect the hair from external damage. This is due to the protein from fenugreek and also due to the surplus vitamin C and iron derived from amla. When these two are added together, they become so effective combined that they serve as strengthening agents for the hair. This hair oil is perfectly formulated to not just grow the hair, but to strengthen the hair against external damage. And one thing you guys need to know is that strong hair leads to long hair. So if you really want your hair to be long and thick, always focus on all the nutrients and ingredients that help strengthen your hair. The hair oil also helps heal the hair against dryness and flaky scalp, as well as serve as a treatment for any scalp health issues. So if you're going through any scalp health issues of major dryness, dandruff, flakiness, psoriasis, this is the hair oil to try out. This hair oil combination is also effective on any bald patches and thinning hair. All you have to do is apply a few drops onto your palm and massage it into your scalp onto those areas. Lastly, this hair oil is effective in preventing and healing damaged hair and split ends. Baby, you give me. As I said already, this hair oil has major nutrients that are really good for healing the hair and healing damaged hair and strengthening it and reviving it. The combination of these Ayurvedic ingredients with powerful nutrients creates a potent hair oil that nourishes the hair strands and enhances the overall hair health. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. So guys, you can actually opt out of double boiling this hair oil, and instead you can choose to store it in a dark cupboard for 2 weeks before using it. We, however, lack that level of patience, so we would be double boiling the hair oil for about 10 to 15 minutes, then letting it cool down overnight. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my
appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead.
So guys, this is the next morning and the hair oil is ready to use. This hair oil does not need to be rinsed out. It doesn't need to be washed out. Instead, you can just apply a few drops onto the palm of your hand and massage it onto the scalp and the body of your hair. Also, this hair oil only needs to be used about 1 to 2 times a week. This is because of the protein content from the fenugreek, which is quite powerful on the hair, so you don't need to use it more than 1 to 2 times a week.
Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Please feel free to let us know in the comment section below what you think about this recipe. Would you be trying out this oil, or how would you be making this recipe for yourself? Let us know in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.